In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView using the updated 2025 interface. We'll walk through the exact flow on the platform so you know where to click, what each field means, and how to confidently send and manage your orders. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart. Use the search bar at the top to pick a symbol, then choose your preferred time frame. The trading process is the same regardless of the market you're analyzing, so use whatever chart you're already working with. At the bottom of the chart, click the Trading panel. This expands a dock where you'll connect your brokerage and manage trades right from the chart. If you don't see it, your window may be minimized. Drag the lower edge up to reveal the panel. From the list of brokers, select the one you want to trade with and click Connect. You'll be taken to your broker's secure login page. Confirm you're selecting the right account if you have multiple, review the prompt, and proceed. Log into your broker account and complete any additional authentication the broker requires. This might include a verification code or an approval in your app, and it ensures a secure connection between TradingView and your account. Once connected, your account balance and any open positions will appear in the trading panel. Consider this your control center. It shows the key details you need without leaving the chart. To place a trade, click Buy or Sell in the trading panel. This opens the order window with all the settings for your order. Choose your order type. Market executes immediately at the best available price. Limit lets you set the exact price you want. The order will wait until the market reaches that level. Then set your quantity, which is the number of shares or contracts you want to trade. The units depend on the instrument you're on. Optionally, add Take Profit and Stop Loss levels. Take Profit automatically closes the trade at a target price to lock in gains, while Stop Loss helps cap downside if price moves against you. Many traders base these on chart levels or a defined risk amount. When everything looks good, click Buy or Sell to execute your trade. You'll see a confirmation, and the order will be routed to your broker. Your active trade will show in the Positions tab of the trading panel, where you can monitor entry, current PL, and any attached exits. To close a trade, click the Close button next to your position. TradingView will send the close order, and the position will disappear once it's filled. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.